Good morning, everybody. This is Dad from Ray and Dad, and today I'm going to take you on a point of view walk around the Disney Wonders fourth deck, which is the jogging track or walking track on the boat. So on this deck, you have, as you work around, you have almost 360-degree views out in the ocean, and you get a nice overview of kind of the size of the ship. So it takes 3 laps to make one mile, and we're just going to do a single lap, and I'm going to take you along with me so you can have a point of view shot. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you can keep up on all our adventures, including our other upcoming Disney adventures. So with that being said, make sure to enjoy. All right, so let's go take a point of view walk around the Disney Wonder. It's about 7 a.m. and we're going to go to deck 4, which is the track deck. And I'm going to take you all on a walk around the Disney Wonder. That's a point of view look at the Disney Wonders jogging deck. Thanks for coming along. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and hit that bell for notifications so you can keep up on all our adventures. And most of all, make sure to enjoy.